So here's how you can make a YouTube preview on the iPad. So let me talk about it and guide you through it. If it's your first time here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, there are more ways how you can preview stuff on YouTube. Like obviously we have the YouTube Studio, which is great, but as long as you are signed in to your account for YouTube on both the studio as well as the YouTube app, you can actually upload the video without making it public, right? So you can make it unlisted, meaning that only people with the link can actually view the video. You don't have to share that link with anyone, and you just open that video, right? You just play it through the YouTube app, even though it's not public, but you can see what it would look like. You can see the description and so on, right? So this is a little way to preview the videos on YouTube. On the other hand, when it comes to specifically thumbnails, there are websites which you can use, actually plenty of them with the same purpose, but there are websites which can preview the thumbnail on YouTube. So you can literally look that up into the Google search and you'll be able to upload your finished thumbnail and see what it would look like on the actual YouTube platform before you publish the video. These services are third-party services, so obviously they might, I don't know, ask for a subscription if you do it for too long, but usually you can get it done for free at least a few times. So that is how you can basically preview the YouTube stuff before you actually publish it using the iPad. So let me know what you think. Subscribe for more tutorials and upcoming videos like this one, and I'll catch you later.